Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
The Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Shillong hene kasngi kalapantip bakan Rakhe kasngi kabakerpang kabakot ka Ayurveda di arhajar arpuar ha ka arpulai Tarik ubenai Risaw arhajar arpuar kabadai gajing Rakhe ka Hynñiew habaro shitulub jong ka perthai katay gajing Rakhe katay kasngi kalong kumshi benta jong ka azadi ka amrit mohatsav habakran chigilat pathai khubor na kalyang ka Dr. Nita Mahesikar kabadai ka Director Hynñiew Laong baka thong hi kalong ban pin sngo thu pai ba ya ka bor jong ka Ayurveda panyo ya ka met ka phat ka basait ka baklan bar kala ong ru baha ka te ka sngi ban Rakhe ya ka Ayurveda di kin sa don ru shibon tri ki program ki jingele kai ki ba pher
because mental well-being is a part of Ayurveda, because we do not focus on physical well-being. Yoga teaches not only exercise, it teaches do's and don'ts, moral ethics. So that way the mental focus is also addressed, and both ways a patient can be, a subject I can say, can be maintained in good health. Nia has now explored and last I think before I have joined, I just recently joined 9 months back, but I understand from the past experiences of my faculty that Nia has already collaborated before also, and but now here afterwards what we thought was every month a traditional healer will be approached, and the local resources, natural herbs can be tapped, and there can be a research in collaboration too. This was an innovative thing just to familiarize everyone with what can be done through Ayurveda. That was an Ayurveda Poshan Maha, and much publicity with in collaboration, as I said. In this campaign of Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda, every ministry is involved. In that week, it was Poshan Maha with women and childcare. So the focus was that side. Otherwise, defense, aviation, cultural, every ministry, external affairs ministry, everybody is involved in this. Many activities in the form of health camps, awareness camps, and yoga, and public participation in food festival. We also conducted quiz competition and Nukkad Natak, that is street plays. We want to reach out to the masses in a very simplified manner. So we had outreach with all this. There were talks on All India Radio and TV, awareness about Ayurveda through webinar on lifestyle modification, invitation and experience sharing by traditional healers. We know Northeast is really famous for traditional healing, and we have enrolled and roped in them also, so that the public participation will be more with local involvement. So that was the main thing, and main function will be organized in Nia on 23rd. That will be the culminating day of Dhan Trayodashi. So the rest of the activities, Dr. Pramod and Dr. Vijay Devedi will be.
We have done many programs in different places, like BSF, different school, villages, and our institute and some other organizations, like free health camp. Total number of activities 7, and total beneficiaries is 607. Another program, awareness lecture on Ayurveda diet and lifestyle to school and organizations. Total number of activities 8, and beneficiaries number 759. Another program, scientific talk on Ayurveda day by expert speaker from Niha. Total number of activities 5, and beneficiary participants 170. Another program, medicinal plantation drive. Total number of activities 3, and 40 plants. In this is 60 participants. And some yoga protocol drive, total number 3, and daily 2 minutes yoga break is also in hospital, in which many beneficiaries like patient and hospital staff, and food fest in hospital, 10 diseases and 100 visitors. And another program, competition among students of NIA, quiz, digital poster and jingle and short videos. Total number of activities in this is 3, and involving 50 students. And another a talk on Ayurveda awareness in All India Radio, Shillong. Total number of activities is 3, and a talk of Ayurveda awareness Doordarshan Shillong 1.
up to 23, about $23.6 billion. It may increase. So Ayurveda is not only benefited to the patient and other persons, healthy persons also. It is also beneficial for the our country. And as ma'am told you, director madam told you, कि Ayurveda mainly consists on the first aim of Ayurveda to maintain the health of healthy individual. And this year we mainly concentrated on these things because this aim of the Ayurveda, this theme is Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda. It means if we adopt the Ayurveda, then we can maintain the healthy life. And this thing, it means we have to maintain our daily regimen, our seasonal regimen according to the Ayurvedic diets. And I will discuss about the other activities about the Hynñiew. And we have shared all these things, how to take food, what should be the seasonal regimen, what should be the daily regimen. We are providing all these pamphlets to the patients and the healthy individual even also. Because the maintenance of the health is the main aim. To treat the patient is the second aim of the Ayurveda. So we are mainly focusing on the first aim to maintain the health. So anyone can benefit from this Ayurveda and from our institute. So other programs other than the Dr. Vijay told you, then we have organized the nutritional talk in which we have described how which type of the diet we should take and which disease, which type of the diet is beneficial. And we have distributed the fruits to the patients in our hospital because to maintain the health condition, these natural products are mainly important. Okay, so we generally focus on the natural products, mainly fruits and other natural products.
I have joined the Ministry of Women and Child Development, WCD, under the dynamic leadership of Mrs. Smriti Zumirani. They have conducted one Poshan Abhiyan. Actually, it was the flagship program of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. And the basic aim of this Poshan is to get the nutrition for the children, for the adolescents, for the lactating and the pregnant mothers. So as a part of this, actually basically if you see the word Poshan, P-O-S-H-A-N, it's a Prime Minister's outreaching scheme for holistic approach for nutrition. So with that objective from NEA, as Madam was saying, we also have developed one cookies specially indicated for pregnancy. And it was, today we could not show you, but hopefully in future, because it was done with the collaboration of Institute of Hotel Management, and we are doing actually a pilot project initially, and we have presented there also in Delhi in Kartavya Path. So we get very good results. Most of the common people who have joined that program, everybody was praising, especially the taste, the nutritional value, and all these things. And number of departments of Ministry of Ayush like Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science, the Pharmacopeal Commission of Indian Medicine, and other system of science like National Institute of Siddha, National Institute of Homeopathy, everybody was asking. Because we tried to make that cookies by taking some ingredients like, as you are knowing about the ashwagandha within a somnifera. Everybody was praising, especially the taste, the nutritional value, and all these things. And number of departments of Ministry of Ayush like Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science, the Pharmacopeal Commission of Indian Medicine, and other system of science like National Institute of Siddha, National Institute of Homeopathy, everybody was asking. Because we tried to make that cookies by taking some ingredients like, as you are knowing about the ashwagandha within a somnifera. Then this one ingredient is there, shatavari. That is a very important ingredient, specially indicated for pregnancy. Yeah, sure.
Shatavari is having natural phytoestrogens, and it is really good for the color, complexion of the mother, the health of the child and mother both. So that was added and made palatable. Another cookie we had, which Dr. Vijay Dwivedi had developed, he will be answering on that. So wherein we have taken the millets. So we all know the growing lifestyle disorders, what we are consuming in today's world, all are going to play a havoc in the coming years in cardiovascular disease, obesity and all. So even he has developed a few things herbal production in the form of cookie, which was helpful in obesity. So over to you, Dr. Vijay.
Flaxseed and ashwagandha. Flaxseed is lower the anxiety, stress, and flaxseed also for cardiac patient, useful for cardiac patient and diabetic patient. The main content is ashwagandha and flaxseed.
So that the basic aim of this is to reach the system of Ayurveda to the every household, not only all over the India but all over the globe. So we are very much hopeful that it will reach to the each corner of Meghalaya. Thank you so much. Over to you, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. Namaskar to all. Here, as Dr. Himanshu has said, this is the 7th Ayurveda Day conducted under Har Ghar, Har Din, Har Ghar Ayurveda. So that means Ayurveda every day, Ayurveda everywhere. So the main aim of this is to reach out to the whole of the masses about the knowledge of Ayurveda. So this is under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Inter Alia Ayurveda 2047. So the ministry and the government, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji and Ayush Secretary Kotecha ji, both have taken so much of pains. Our Ayush Minister Sarvanand Sonwal ji, even he has taken pains to reach out to masses the ancient science of Ayurveda. So various activities to celebrate this 7th Ayurveda Day have been under the verticals of Jana Sandesh, Jana Andolan and Jana Bhagidari. That means reaching out in the form of e-kits which are downloadable on a micro website introduced by our nodal center, All India Institute of Ayurveda. And the verticals here we can see were celebrated in a span of 6 weeks. And so after the soft launch on 12th September by our Minister Sonwalji and Mujibaraji, so we have divided these 6 weeks under Ayurveda for holistic health, Ayurveda for millennials, Ayurveda Ahar, that is grains, millets required for healthy living, Ayurveda for senior citizens, Ayurveda for mental well-being, Ayurveda sharing of experiences. So even there is a guideline how we will be reaching out under this Jan Sandesh hashtag, Twitter, all these have been developed. There is a website www.ayurvedaday.in wherein all we can reach out to the masses under this head, and the activities were conducted in Hynñiew also under these health camps, awareness camps and quiz competition, jingles. We tried to reach out to the masses in all respects. So there were some awards also where under my website www.ayurvedaday.in wherein all we can reach out to the masses under this head, and the activities were conducted in Hynñiew also under these health camps, awareness camps and quiz competition, jingles. We tried to reach out to the masses in all respects. So there were some awards also where under my government portal people can participate in this. And to make it more successful, all the ministries have taken participation here. All the NGOs, Anganwadis, Panchayats were also included in this. And under this dedicated micro website, we have already released some e-kit Navratna posters which are more helpful, where the health program, that means Ayurveda aims not only for holistic health, Ayurveda aims for healthy living throughout. So these things were already released and are available under the caption of this micro website. So main thing is Ayurveda is for tomorrow. We have already seen there is a major rise in GDP also, and more of what Ayush sector, there are more prospects in public health, in tourism, under food industry, medicine. There is almost a boost in GDP After the COVID period, we have seen rapid growth in all these industry levels. And this year, the Ministry of Ayush has reached to grassroots level. Even the Panchayat Raj has been included here. So mainly we had an event in Delhi also in Kartavya Path, wherein we try to reach out to the masses for India of tomorrow, that is for a healthy society. So with the collaboration of Ministry of Women and Childcare, Dr. Hynñiew had participated at Kartavya Path, wherein Nia had developed pregnancy cookies. After the second month there is a regimen under Ayurveda for pregnant women, so that there will be a healthy next generation progeny. And therefore we have taken some herbs and palatable cookies, snacks were introduced in the form of uterine shape, so that they can easily be identified with pregnant women, and this was distributed, and he had conducted and you can just talk over.
Yes.
I think, thank you so much for this.
So, very good afternoon to all. Myself, Dr. Hynñiew. I am working as a lecturer in the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Maudiyangdiang, Shillong. So, on behalf of the institute, today we are with Director Madam. She is Dr. Nita Mohesekar Madam. She is holding the post of Director near Shillong. Along with us also Dr. Vijay Kumar. He is holding the charge of Principal in charge College of Ayurveda, and Dr. Pramod Singh. He is also holding the charge of lecturer in the Department of Kriya Sharir. And on behalf of all the family of Nia, we welcome you all. I am very much thankful that both the media persons from the print and the television media have gathered here. And as you all know that the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, they are organizing the Ayurveda Day, which is generally celebrated on the day of Dhanvantari Jayanti. This year it will be celebrated on 23rd of October. This will be the 7th Ayurveda Day. Generally it is celebrated on the occasion of the Dhanvantari Jayanti. So we have performed different kinds of activities, and for which our Director Madam is there. She will tell in a nutshell what are the different activities we have been doing, and number of activities are still going on, and hope we will get better information. And this is our request to all you people, so that it should come to the limelight, so that the basic aim of this is to reach the system of Ayurveda to every household, not only all over the India but all over the globe. So we are very much hopeful that it will reach to each corner of Meghalaya. Thank you so much. Over to you, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, namaskar to all. Here, as Dr. Hynñiew has said, this is the 7th Ayurveda Day conducted under Har Ghar, Har Din, Har Ghar Ayurveda. So that means Ayurveda every day, Ayurveda everywhere. So the main aim of this is to reach out to the whole of the masses about the knowledge of Ayurveda. So this is under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Inter Alia Ayurveda 2047.